Hello there, lightning fast video. If you're having this problem with calls going through your call queues in 8x8, ending up in agent voicemails sometimes, this may be your problem. In the VCC Configuration Manager, under the User section, and in an individual user's profile, there is a tab for Properties. The default interaction offer timeout is 30. The problem is if this is not changed, that can cause that problem. Here's the reason. In the Virtual Office Configuration Manager, where it's the part where you manage the PBX, in the user's profile section under call forwarding rules, it is by default set to send calls that are not answered to the voicemail within 15 seconds. So the conflict here is that you've got a phone ringing on a user's PBX phone, a call ringing on a PBX phone that's programmed to send the call to voicemail after 15 seconds. The problem with that is VCC is programmed to offer the call for up to 30 seconds. The way you solve this problem is you need to make the interaction offer timeout the same or smaller than whatever the PBX timer is for voicemail. Now, if it turns out you need this to be longer, say for instance 25, then you just need to go over to the Virtual Office Configuration Manager and edit the voicemail rule and move that out to 25 or something larger. And that will solve that problem. Hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.